Govt Boys HSS Jowai ni the Sdang go ya tayaaw lehkmen yong skur wada pertuik ke Exuberance arajar arpauso wekam kadak Sdang the one open hair ya lama yong skur da umi what he nong plu executive engineer PWD building Jowai wada man lekam ukong san ha ya lang wada pen man hap chem kani hi skur ya kani ke lehkmen depan kre hade lang kapang ga waong unlock your potential, discover, compete and shine. Hagayalang mo palay do es dekar da yo iklam pediang naga principal Govt Boys ka safety care bare iklam ya kamat heya to wakani ka lehkmen naga secretary ka Exuberance arajar arpauso kadaya risaleng do wede yo lek ka mas drill nagi kena skur ukongsan umi wat hinong plu hawa kalam ongu ka skur to ka wi kalat wakongsan tam ka wailat yo pen yo ya kisap ki phong wa bonjaj la heya to ile ki sport irwai ichat iput item isap draw wa kiwi kam telang ba ipenman ya gani kata tayaaw lehkmen de chimbenta ka principal vice principal wai waro ki wasikai yoluti u ki khanna ya chimbenta chongchit ki hajar jer isam nei baha omwaro ki khanna skur wayi uman engineer doktor ne ki wasikai wa ki wide kentu haro ya ki khanna skur wa man ki wajai jai lahai wani thaw wa emgi najrong wo pen em kam hok ye sap wa de u blai nei baha awro eu ijo ithit perkhat tang wadu ki wakre chitom ki watho sakhet yesam ki wi ku chaprang depan kut ya ka yalang de klam ikhublei na ka vice principal kalwela mary lenra
to showcase your creativity through various forms of expression through different kinds of competition. Exuberance 2024 is to unlock your potential. School is the place where you can unlock your potential. It is very important to know what is your talent, what is your potential. School is the only place where you get a chance to show your potential. You are lucky. The teachers, the principal, and everyone involved in making this exuberance. During our days, we do not have this kind of opportunity. I can say you are very lucky that you have this kind of opportunity to showcase your talents. And I must congratulate the principal, the vice principal, and all the teachers for taking all the pain and giving no stone unturned to make this Exuberance 2024 a success. And I urge upon all of you, and I request all of you to take part, to participate, and you will unlock your talent through this Exuberance 2024. As we all know, all of you cannot become engineers, all of you cannot become doctors, all of you cannot become teachers, but through this Exuberance 2024, who knows, you may unlock your potential maybe into the field of dancing, maybe into the music, or into arts, painting, so on and so forth. So therefore, I request all of you, my dear students, to kindly take part in this competition. And you also should step out of your comfort zone. You should step out and take part. You should not be complacent in the present environment and your present situation. By participating in this kind of competition, you will come to know what is your talent. Because God has given every one of us equal opportunity, equal brain. Nobody is inferior to anybody. All are equal, I can say, but the only difference is that it depends on who work hard and who find out his talent so that he can nurture or he can groom his talent. Therefore, I wish that this Exuberance, by the end of the week, it will finish on a high note, and many of you will discover your talent. Once you discover your talent, then next comes the stage of competition. Now we are living in a stage of competition. Everywhere there's competition. They say it is the survival of the fittest. Only the brilliant, only the fittest, only the work hard, those only will survive. Therefore, we are living now in a days of competition. If you want to become engineer, you have to write a competitive exam. If you want to become doctor, you have to write a competitive exam. If you want to go into that stream, you have to write a competitive exam. CUET, you cannot simply join immediately without this entrance exam.